Hello everyone. Welcome to Siamane Nyamasa Uyin channel. Let's learn the Burmese language easily and happily. This Burmese lesson is specially designed for absolute beginners who had no prior experience with the language. Everyone of any age can learn it. Today we are going to learn 3 of the most common Burmese greetings. Are you ready? Let's go.
Yes, we are ready, teacher.
Our first word is hello. In Burmese, we say Mingalaba. Listen carefully. Mingalaba. Now it's your turn. Let's say it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, great job. That was amazing. The second phrase is how are you? In Burmese, we ask Ne kaung la. Listen again. Ne kaung la. Let's practice together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Excellent! Your pronunciation is very good. And finally, to say thank you, we say Jesu Tembade. It's a bit long, so listen very carefully. Jesu Tembade. Let's say it out loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect! You did absolutely wonderful. Now, let's listen and practice the greetings we just learned along with the sound coming at next. This will help you remember them even better.
Hello, Mingalaba. Mingalaba. How are you? How are you? Ni kaung la. Ni kaung la. Thank you. Thank you. Jesu Tembade. Jesu Tembade. Mingalaba. Mingalaba. Ni kaung la. Ni kaung la.
You guys did a wonderful job today. Learning a new language takes time, but you are doing great. If you want to continue this journey with me, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye.